Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Android phone to scan documents. If you want to use your Android phone to scan documents, follow these easy steps. Open Google Drive or scanning app. If using Google Drive, open the app and tap the plus or add button. Then hit the scan option. Alternatively, install a scanning app like Microsoft Lens, Adobe Scan, or Cam Scanner. Choose the scan option. In Google Drive, tap Scan or Camera icon. In other apps, look for a camera or scan button. Position your document. Place the document on a flat surface with good lighting. Align your phone camera so the document fits with the screen. Capture the scan. Tap the shutter button to take a picture of the document. Adjust the scan if needed. Crop, rotate, or enhance the image for better readability. Some apps offer auto cropping and color adjustments. Save or convert to PDF. In Google Drive, tap Done at the top right. Other apps allow you to save in JPG, PDF, or other formats. Rename, save, and organize the file. Give your scanned document a clear name for easy access. Choose a folder location in Google Drive, OneDrive, or internal storage. Share or print the document. Tap the three dots, then tap Share button to send it via email, WhatsApp, or cloud storage. If needed, connect to a printer and print directly from your phone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.